Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file SFT transactions using an easy method. We'll start by defining what an SFT is and why accurate reporting is crucial for compliance. Then, we'll identify the specific types of financial transactions that require this special statement. Finally, I'll guide you through a streamlined, step-by-step process to ensure your submissions are correct and hassle-free. This approach aims to simplify what can often seem like a complex task, saving you time and effort. Let's begin by understanding what an SFT truly is. An SFT, or Statement of Financial Transaction, is a crucial document that certain entities must file with the tax authorities. It's designed to capture and report high-value financial activities, ensuring greater transparency in the financial system. This reporting mechanism plays a vital role in preventing tax evasion and promoting overall financial accountability, contributing to a more robust economic environment for everyone involved. Now, let's pinpoint the key transactions you need to report. This includes cash deposits exceeding 10 lakh rupees in a savings account or 5 lakh rupees in a current account. Also, look out for credit card payments over 1 lakh rupees in cash or 10 lakh rupees in total. The purchase or sale of a movable property valued at 30 lakh rupees or more is another important one. Don't forget about high-value transactions involving shares, debentures, mutual funds, and foreign currency. Keeping these figures in mind is essential for accurate reporting. Finally, let's walk through the easy steps for filing your SFT. First, meticulously gather all the necessary transaction details and supporting financial documents. Next, access the designated online portal provided by the tax authorities for SFT submission. Carefully fill out the form, double-checking that all fields are accurately completed to prevent errors. Once everything is verified, submit your statement well before the specified due date. Following these simple steps will ensure a smooth and compliant filing process, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.